My name is Boudignat and I would like to share my story with you. My grandmother, who is 94 years old, always tells me that the wine she gets today is not as tasty as it was in the past. She claims that the best wine she ever had was made by her grandfather, the blacksmith. The blacksmith was living in the village of Boudignat, and the horseshoes he made were known for their ability to bring good fortune. The travelers along the road would stop to touch the blacksmith forge for good luck and a glass of the best wine the region could offer. As time has passed, horseshoes have been replaced by the turns and wheels of the future. Today, I would like to invite you to help restoring the organic winemaking traditions of Paris and its surrounding regions. Right now, the region around Paris does not have a single vineyard that is organic. In fact, up to 95% of vineyards in France use pesticides to spray the soil and vines, which can be harmful to the consumer. Our vineyard crafts 100% organic wine without the use of any pesticides or any sulfate. But unfortunately, our production so far is limited. By completely eliminating chemicals, our wine have a pure flavor and aroma of French nature. Our vineyard is eco-friendly and respects the soil and fauna around it. And in the meantime, we have started to craft our first batch of bottles that are ready to be shipped. I would like to invite you to be part of our vineyard by helping us to expand the vineyard's capacity by purchasing equipment and planting additional vines. Our goal is to create the first vineyard in Paris region that grows and crafts its own wine and that respects its tradition and environment. By backing our organic wine, we will reward you with the best thing our land has to offer. From handcrafted bottles that bear your name, to visiting the farm for wine tasting and experiencing the authentic French countryside. It can all be brought back to life with your support. Join us and be part of our organic vineyard history.